everyone, welcome back to day 8 of Navratri makeup, and if you're interested in knowing how I got this particular look, then continue watching. So I'll be using this concealer to prime my lids, and then I'll be blending it with beauty blender first, and then I'll be setting my base with this compact. So today I'll be using this Blue Heaven palette and taking this golden shade. I'll be applying it all over my eyelids like this, and then I'm going to blend it then and there itself. So once that's done, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I'll be applying it all over the base color with my fingers itself because it works well with fingers, and then I'm making sure it's all blended nicely and there are no harsh edges. Then using this brown kajal, I'll be lining my upper lash line and my lower lashes with the same kajal. So I'm going to fill in my waterline, tight line, and then I'm curling my lashes and I'm using this mascara. And all the product details will be in the description box always. If I'm not mentioning anything here, it will be there. Then I'm going to use concealer to hide my dark circles and I'm blending it with beauty blender and then setting my face with the compact. Then moving back, I'm using same kajal for my lower lash line like this, and then I'll be using mascara for my lower lash. Then using this bronzer to bronze up my face, and then I'll be slightly contouring my nose as well. Once that's done, I'm taking same highlighter to highlight my highest points. And then to set my base, I'm using this setting spray and I'm going to use a beauty blender to do so, and then making sure everything is melted nicely into my skin. Then to finish off my look, I'm using this CHAMBOR lipstick and I'll be applying it all over my lips. And this is my final makeup look for day 8 of Navratri. I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.